Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Yamaha R6 Supersport. 600cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, inline 4-cylinder. Beautiful metallic gray and black. It's got some really nice upgrades, including a smoke windscreen, adjustable levers, domino grips, a GPR steering stabilizer, flush mount turn signals, fender eliminator kit. Only 12,000 miles on this gorgeous 2007 Yamaha R6. Price to sell, just $49.99. Come by, take a look at this bike. It's not going to be here long. Don't miss out. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.